Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the Java development using Eclipse. There are many students who request me to do the Java application using Eclipse, so that today I am going to teach how to make the Java development using Eclipse step by step. I already done many videos in NetBeans, so today is the first day I am going to start the Eclipse, right? First, if you are going to use the Eclipse, first you have to download from the Google. You have to write Eclipse for Java developer. For Java developer, you have to search like this: Java developers, right? So here the versions are there. Mostly nowadays coming as a 64-bit. Now just search this one. Here Eclipse ID for Java developers. There are another choice, Eclipse ID for enterprise Java developers. This one you have to choose for the doing the web-based application, right? J2EE. Okay, we have to later on we have to study this one. Click on this. Right. This is Java Eclipse ID Java developers, right? You have to download the latest version here. If you click on this one, it will be downloaded in your machine. After that, it is straightforward. You have to select the directory where you want to install this Eclipse ID. So you have to install it. After install it, you have to have it on your Windows. You have to go here. You can search Eclipse. Here I have installed both enterprise and Java ID for Java developers. This is GUI one. This is the web one, right? So I have choose this one, right? If it is after install and open, it is look like this, right? So if it is launch, it's all the your if you install Java in your machine, JDK install your machine, it's automatically it's configured. After install it, all the path will be taken automatically. Eclipse ID, right? It will manage every path and every step. It will automatically manage which directory you are installed JDK, right? You don't worry about that. How to configure that? It is managed by Eclipse, right? Okay. Now what I am going to do, so I have already installed in my machine. I made one simple example also as well. Now here, first what I am going to do is here, I am going to teach, not going to teach a console one. I am going to teach GUI application development, right? So if you are going to install Eclipse, you don't have a GUI development, right? There will be no GUI development over here, right? In NetBeans is defaultly installed, right? Here you must install it. How to install it here? Go to the GUI development, help, install new software. Here you don't worry about the site where you are going to download it. It's already there. You just go here, and here this is the first one, right? HTTP download the release, download Eclipse org release the latest version. Here apply that. You have to click on this one. It's automatically take all the dependencies which you needed. Now here, what I'm going to, sorry, it's not all. Select this one. Sorry, I have to cancel it. Again, I'm going to open it, right? Now here, choose the site. First one, this one. It's all will be loaded, right? Now here, we have to choose it from general. That's a general, right? General purpose tools, right? So select this one. It's all selected. I need only Swing based application only. So this Swing Designer develop documentation, Swing Designer code. This is all the stuff we have needed. So we have to click on all the stuff. Right. What are swings are there? All the stuff you have to check on the Swing application step. That's the thing you have to do it. After that, you have to click next. It will take some time to install it, right? It's installing here. It's collecting all the dependencies. Install it. Next, you have to accept the license agreement for this. Click finish. Here it is installing this. You have to wait until the install finish. After install that, it asks to restart the application here. It asks to restart the application after install. You click restart now. It is restarting your Eclipse ID again. It's loading all the relevant Swing application libraries. All the libraries loading over here. Now you have to wait until the loading stuff, right? Now it's loaded. Now here this is your interfaces. Now first go to the file, you have to create the other. Here you have to choose Windows Builder, Project Palette, right? Here you have there are many things, right? Project Palette, Swing Designer. Under the Swing Designer, we have a application window. Click on this one, or JFrame, right? We click on JFrame, right? Click next. Here you have to name the application. So here I'm going to first project. I just name it as first project. The default package, right? This is the your folder, right? Click finish. Now you will be able to see the JFrame, right here. This one should be the source, this is one should be the design, right? If you click on the design, your design is loading. Here it is, your design is loading, right? Here this is your application, very simple application. Now you will be able to use the GUI application, right? If you want to make the panel, you have to drag one panel over here, click on this one, you will be able to draw panel, right? Here you can see the panel over here, very simple one, you will be able to do it. Okay, this is how we have to do the GUI application. In my next tutorial, I will be teaching how to work with the GUI application, everything. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me.